The name Harley Davidson is synonymous with American-made motorcycles. Known for their loud exhausts and muscular designs, Harley Davidson has become one of the most recognizable motorcycle manufacturers in history. However, Harley Davidson wasn't always the front-runner of the industry. In 1970, Harley Davidson introduced the XR750 in an effort to challenge the British and Japanese racing bikes that consistently dominated the AMA Grand National Championships. In fact, the XR750 was conceptualized as a result of newly enacted AMA rules that rendered the once successful Harley KR motorcycles obsolete. The overriding principle of the XR750's production was simple: design a motorcycle that exerted as much power as possible while maintaining a lightweight frame. The XR750 had to be capable of hitting straightaways at over 100 miles per hour, whilst also managing quick, sharp turns. With these necessities in mind, combined with a much lighter 750cc aluminium alloy engine, Harley Davidson was on course to manufacturing a competitive motorcycle that would dominate flat-track racing for the next 4 decades. Throughout its history, the revolutionary XR750 has led many racers into victory. In fact, more AMA races have been won aboard Harley Davidson XR750s than any other motorcycle, making it the most successful racing bike of all time. The XR750 was also the preferred bike of legendary stunt rider Evel Knievel, who rode it famously from December 1970 all the way until his final jump in January of 1977. Today, enthusiasts wishing to get their hands on an original Harley Davidson XR750 are likely to run into trouble. The patented, classic racing appeal of the XR750 ensures that they are snatched up quickly and sold at exorbitant prices. Motorcycle enthusiasts can witness this original Harley Davidson XR750 firsthand by visiting Throttlestop in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. Located near the world-famous Road America racetrack, Throttlestop is a one-of-a-kind destination for true motorcycle and automotive enthusiasts. One step into Throttlestop's automotive showroom floor and motorcycle museum will reveal why they live the motto, "Driven by Passion."